Ladies and gentlemen, I had the pleasure of being that practice manager, and after both dental practices were sold, together with the same dentist and the same entrepreneur, created Dental Cabs, the dental consultancy and business support UK. The challenge in the dental market means practice owners need to provide high-end treatment with modern equipment whilst firmly staying on the NHS. Profitability is key to achieve this, so practices can reinvest and improve. Passing on our experience, we will implant tools so practices can invest in use of modern technology, restructuring the team, marketing and social media for patient retention and education, and efficiency programs. Practices cannot make these changes without support, since dentists are not usually trained at university in management skills, and practice managers normally come from the clinical side. After a unique practice MOT, clients can choose from only receiving a report, outsourcing management tasks or projects, or training on the job. Our application form highlights what key members in the dental field think about our service. Our service, applied to the dental market, will bring benefits to dentists, patients, and the NHS. Our sales strategy runs B2B and B2C with the intention to save on customer acquisition costs. Therefore, we use social media tools, and we are already blogging to over 11,000 dental professionals. Parallel, we engage with existing key players in the field, and we are on the edge of negotiating a 3-year contract with a global player in the market. We have just subscribed the first participants to our series of live webinars. With an expected turnover of £150,000, with small profits at the start and an expected increasing profit per year, we would apply to the Scottish Edge judges for funding for office space and the growth of our team. Please see the breakdown in our application form. Ladies and gentlemen, please support our business.